I will explain about the English grammar. You can easily way of method. You can watch it 5 videos after you more changes. You can develop and you get it the more ideas. So my way of views, known to unknown, easy to difficult, my strategy, my views. Please watch it at least 5 videos after you get more develop in English grammar level. Please watch it 5 videos. So first, I will explain that my first class verbs. Verbs means is an action. It is nothing but as an action. The verb is doing a word that shows an action in word or a state. Verbs can be classified into more kinds of. So example like that: transitive verb, intransitive verbs, main verbs, auxiliary verbs, LP verbs, etc. So the verb is the most important of in English sentences. In English, most important. This is a verb. How can, when the construction a building, new building, what is the first thing? The base, foundation. Same to has in this English grammar, compulsory, must, most important of the verb. That's why my strategy first class in the verb I started. So any sentence like that, I am going to market. I am going to market. So this is a sentence. I am going to market. I is a subject. Am is a helping verb. Going is a main verb. To market this is a object. So subject place, helping verb place, main verb place, object. After that it is called one sentences. So this is the formula: subject place, verb place, object. This is a possessive sentence. So subject place, helping verb place, main verb place, object. So mainly here that verbs. Verbs is here that now going to the our classes, that the main things. Verbs classified here the two types: main verbs, auxiliary verbs. Main verbs, it is the mainly used for base form, past participle, present participle. Number one base form. Base form means present form, verb 1. Number 2 past form. Past form means verb 2. Number 3 past participle. Past participle means verb 3. Present, number 4 present participle. Present participle means verb 4. This is a verbs list. Verbs are more and more are there in English, like that: play, played, played, playing, sit, sat, sitting. These are all verbs. So verbs again the two types: regular verbs, irregular verbs. Regular verbs, irregular verbs. Regular verbs here that: play verb 1, played verb 2, played verb 3, verb 4 playing. Playing here that ing form. They play verb 1, you can add the ing form ing when that is the playing, present participle. This is the mainly 3 is a very important: work, worked, worked, working, asked, 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 asking. These are all more verbs, regular verbs. Again here the irregular verbs. So regular verbs only you can add the verb 2, verb 3 only ed added. Ed added, that is the regular verbs. Ed form. What is that one? Only keep and here the regular verbs. Ed, asked, ed, that is the word. So here that irregular verbs. Irregular verbs again 3 types. Irregular verbs again 3 types. What are they? Here the first: bet, 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 betting, cut, cut, cutting. So here that first here the three verbs are same. Three verbs are same. Verb 1, verb 2, verb 3 are same. Next one, second model, sit, sat, sat, sitting. Sit, sat, sitting. Meet, met, meeting. Here that one, verb 2, verb 3, same. Verb 2, verb 3 are same. Next one, third model. There are three verb 1, verb 2, verb 3 are totally changed. Like that, example, eat, add, eaten, eating. Eat, add, eaten. See, saw, sees. These are all three verbs are changed. Here that. First one is the same form. Second one is the only verb 2, verb 3 are. Next one is the third model. Totally changed. Verb 1 change, verb 2 change, verb 3 change. Here that one, eat, add, eaten, eating. This is a main verbs. Main verbs. Next, second model, auxiliaries are and models. Helping verbs also it is called. It is a helping verbs. Helping verbs means here that one. Second, first one is the subject. Second one is the helping verbs. Third one is the main verbs. Fourth one is the object. So you can use the easy formula. My English, subject place, helping verb place, main verb place, object. That is the one sentence. If you any sentence in Telugu words, nenu market ku veltunnanu. That is that you can use that one. I am going to market. Here that what one, subject, helping verb, main verb, object. These are all A. So this is the formula: subject place, helping verb place, main verb place, object. So now main helping verbs. Helping verbs again three types. Here that one. First one is the be form. Second one is the do form. Third one is the have form. First one be form. Am, is, are, was, were. Be form is am, is, are, was, were. Do form. Do, does, did, done. Have form. Have, has, had. These are all helping verbs. And modal verbs. Modal verbs are the same here that. Modal verbs. Shall, should, can, could, will, would, may, might, must, need, ought, dare. These are all 24 helping verbs. Here that one, here that one. Totally 24 helping verbs.